Tired of your phone dying at the worst possible moment? Then meet your new best friend, the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh portable charger, designed to keep all your devices powered up, no matter where you are. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, this power bank can recharge your iPhone 6 times over, or fully juice up multiple devices throughout a long weekend trip. Forget scrambling for outlets. This Anker Essential means you'll never miss an important call or photo opportunity again. What truly sets it apart is Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology, intelligently identifying your device to deliver the fastest, safest charge possible. This isn't just a battery, it's a smart charging solution that protects your electronics while powering them up efficiently. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can charge 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing with a friend or keeping both your phone and tablet ready to go. If you're looking to buy the best portable charger for travel or daily use, this Anker PowerCore is an absolute game changer. Anker's reputation for reliability means you're investing in a durable, high-quality power bank that truly lasts. It's the ultimate travel essential and a must-have gadget for anyone who relies on their mobile devices. For superior power on the go, the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is my top recommendation for 2025. Grab yours today via the Amazon link in the description.